Hi YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to make a fast airplane called the Arrow. Hey everybody, this is American Challenger. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold a very fast airplane called the Arrow. So first what you want to do, you want to take 8.5 by 11 printer paper and fold it in half the long way. And crease really good. Make it hard, straight, and then unfold. And then you fold this in, this corner, into the middle like you would on a normal one. And then you fold this one in, just like a normal one too. Okay? But then you're not going to fold it in half like that. No. What you're going to do is you're going to fold this part in. You're going to fold this side right here in. Then you're going to turn it around and fold the other side in. Now I know what you're thinking. We all know how to make this airplane. You just fold it in now. No, this one's different. You do another fold. Okay? Another fold in. And then you do it on the other side too. And then you flip it over. And then you fold it in half. So you have your wings already. You don't have to make them. Okay? Okay? So this is it. Now, let's see how it flies. This can go much further than this wall. I'm just going to show it to you for a demonstration. So you hold it at the bottom. Make sure you don't touch any of the flaps. You see right here, I'm not touching any of the side things. You're going to throw it like you would. Go much further than that, but that's as far as it could go because the wall's right there and my Indian painting. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Yo, American Challenger has done it again, y'all. Subscribe. I have great videos. Not Tauntaun series.